Hello everyone. In this video lecture, I will tell you some basic of eigenvalue and eigenvector. So basically, this eigenvalue and eigenvector we have to use to solve, or we can simply say used to solve what system of linear equation, systems of linear equation. Okay, so I am not going to the means what is the theory or what we are what are the basic more basic. Okay, but if it is comes, then in our mind x equals to lambda x comes, and I will tell why this x equals to lambda x and from where it is coming. So for this purpose I am first is- writing one equation: dy by dt equals to a of y. So this one is our a. So basically this one dy by dt equals to ay is a first order differential equation or linear differential differential equation. Okay, so in this case if we find the solution, so the solution will be y equals to this y value will be nothing but simply e to the power lambda t into x, the solution of this equation dy by dt. So if we put, okay, for now the first process, then if you take the derivative dy by dt, it should be lambda e to the power lambda t into x. Okay, so we can write lambda e to the power lambda t x equals to a times of y by nothing but simply lambda t into x. So this lambda e to the power lambda t cancel. So lambda x equals to ax. So this ax equals to lambda x. So basically this one is the origin for the eigenvalue and eigenvector. So this ax equals to lambda x. Now I want to show you some property, means how we have to go for different property using this concept. So first property I am writing property number one, that is our a square x equals to lambda square x, or we can say a to the power n x equals to lambda to the power n x. Means how we can achieve this one? Simply for this one solution we can say, for this one, if as we know ax equals to lambda x. Okay, so if we multiply a on both sides, it should be a, then we can write ax. Okay, so now this should be our a square x, and this one should be take lambda constant and this ax, and now this ax is equal to simply lambda x. So it should be lambda square x, a square x. So this one is the one property. Okay, so now next, so what it informs? So basically this informs that even if we square the matrix, okay, initially a matrix is there, now we are squaring. So for a matrix, okay, for the a matrix, say eigenvalue is lambda. So if we take the matrix a square, so the eigen value becomes the square term. Okay, but the eigenvector becomes constant. That we will learn in some different video lecture. From I will make the video lecture for different by using some numerical. So now today we are only discussing the theory. So eigenvector becomes same in such question. Okay, so this one is one property. Now the other property that I want to show you, the second property. In the second property, we can say if we multiply, if we add some matrix with A, okay, so the value of the eigenvalue will be lambda plus c times x. Okay, so it can be also very easily achieved. Means what we are, means initially if a matrix Ax equals to lambda x and we are adding some matrix say c, so if we are adding with some matrix c, so the eigenvalue will also change to lambda plus c. Okay, if some identity matrix multiplied with, here the identity matrix, this identity matrix 1 0 0 1, if it multiply with c plus some matrix a, okay, and if it is multiply with x, so the resultant eigenvalue becomes lambda plus c into x. It can be also proved very easily. Okay, I am sorry. For this purpose, what we have to do, we have to just write for this equation. I am writing from this equation we can write ax plus cx. Okay, we can write cx. So now if we take a plus c, taking common x. Okay, so this a plus c x, and this right hand side, now this ax plus cx is there. Okay, now what we can write, ax, this ax, from this one we can write this ax is nothing but simply our lambda x plus cx, lambda x. Okay, and cx is the other term, so we can write lambda plus cx. So this one is the solution. Okay, so this one is the solution for the other property. Okay, it is very simple. Means if we adding some matrix, it x is some the eigenvector, then it should be a plus c I identity matrix, so lambda plus c. So one more property is there that I want to write. If we multiply some eigenvector with alpha, okay, non-zero number, then it should be lambda times of alpha x. So this one is the other property. So this is all about the property. So in the other video I will try to make a problem for the eigenvalue and eigenvector, and I will find the eigenvalue and eigenvector with concept, means how to derive the eigenvalue and eigenvector thing. Okay, so thank you.